Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off or disable color filters on Messenger. So if color filters is turned on or enabled on your Facebook Messenger and now you want to turn it off, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off color filter on Messenger, all you need to do is go ahead and put the Messenger app. Click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Then go ahead and click on settings. On the settings page, locate and click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, you should see color filter. Click on it. Then here, you should see color filter enabled. Now, to disable or turn off color filter, all you need to do is go ahead and click on unfiltered. And now once you selected unfiltered, then you should see the color filter removed from your Facebook Messenger and then you're good. So that is exactly how to disable or turn off color filter in Facebook Messenger. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.